Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode, Spangler the Angler. I'm out here with my buddy Tony. So what's up, Tony?
What's up?
We're on Lake Talquin, just west of Tallahassee. We'll see what we can make happen for us today. Hopefully we get a few largemouth bass. I'll take one, and I'll be happy. Stay with us. Tony's hooked up, bringing one in.
Doesn't look like he's big. He's probably about a pounder. He's fighting like he's about a pound.
Not too bad, not too bad.
Maybe a pound and a half.
Yeah. He's pretty decent.
First one in the boat today.
That's right. First catch by Tony. Hold that puppy up. Yeah. Sweet deal.
Say bye.
Yep. I still got them, but I got a whole bunch of lily pads too.
That's all right.
Yeah. Come on. See, I was like, man, I need to get next to that grass out there.
That's where I was shooting right over here.
What is going on here? I think he's still on there. Is he still on there? Yeah, he's still on there. Yep. Got him in all the lily pads. All right, where you at? I had the my salamander. Yeah. There we go. Little guy.
Let me see. Not a bad looking.
Ah, not too bad. Fish is a fish, right? All right, buddy.
Video him? Did you video him?
I did. See you, pal. Huh? You got one? There it is. You got him?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, yeah.
Gator guard.
Cool.
I ain't getting them in the boat.
Oh, I'll get him off if you want me to.
On the,
You want me to get him off?
what the hell is it? Oh, lily. Got it on a lily pad. It's on a lily pad.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, either hold my rod or...
Yep, I got that.
Okay,
What?
on. He's a good size. There he is. Oh, look, get this on my face.
Oh,
Don't, I know.
Do not move. Yeah, I see it.
Go ahead.
Don't move. Oh. Dude. That was close. Wow. Dude, that thing was just laying there.
I know. I was like, I thought it was just
Slightly.
yeah, just
Slightly
yeah. I felt it.
hooked. And I was like, oh my God. And then I think I saw the pike swim away, or the gar swim away underneath the lily pad as I was getting the hook off of you. Whoo!
Okay.
Cool.
That's
All right.
That's two.
That's two. I count it. Yep.
Even though I'm not a big gator guard fan.
Yeah. Yeah.
I knew I had a hook.
Yeah.
I thought it might have been a bass because he was running with it.
Oh yeah. I was hoping it was at first. When I saw the size, I was like, man, that'd be a nice size bass. Dang, buddy. I'm glad that hook didn't go all the way in.
You gotta remain calm
Absolutely.
and chime on.
That's right. Yeah, I know. Literally. You were just there, weren't you?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Ah. Got him. There we go. I said, uh-oh. All right. Make that 2. Stay on there, buddy. Woo. Sweet deal.
Nice.
Yes, sir. I come off that lily pad just right. Yeah, I got a bullhead. Wow, buddy. Tell you what, that barb of the hook don't want to come back out.
Here, stick your finger in there. Hook up.
Huh?
I'll show you a little trick. You got it? Here.
Just about.
I'll just show you a little trick that old man showed me.
Yeah.
Yeah, what you're doing is it.
Yeah, it's just hung up pretty good. That's all right. I got pliers too.
Let me just say, well, I'll show you what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Okay? I'm sorry, dude.
Ah, that's good.
Okay, see that?
Yeah.
Just take your finger. And all you gotta do is once you get it set with your finger on it, just pop. I felt it pop. There's just one little piece left.
It's in there pretty good, wasn't it?
Just
yeah.
once you get your finger in there like that, once it pops through, you just
Keep
pull
going
it out.
through. Yeah.
You
Cool.
want him?
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. Actually, hey, will you take a picture?
Absolutely.
If you will, just hold it horizontal for the photo.
Horizontal.
Yeah.
Hold it closer to the camera so it looks bigger.
Oh.
It's like, now hold it back.
You got me in it?
Yeah. I'm saying now, take the one picture and say,
Yeah.
look at this monster, and then
Yeah.
perspective.
Yes, it is, isn't it?
It's a monster.
It's terrible. All right, buddy. Yeah. I don't know if that will show too well or not, but up 2 now. What's going on, everybody? So hey, we wrapped up the day. Great time on the water. Caught a couple of fish each. We didn't quite catch as many fish as we wanted to. No problem though. If we never came out here, we wouldn't have caught any, right? Hey, the sun's just going down. What a beautiful sight that is out there. So I'm going to be taking it to the house. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos to come for sure. If you haven't subscribed, do so down below and hit that like button for this video. And we'll see you guys next time on Spangler the Angler.